chasing the bag, I've been off of the money. Ever since I was a kid, I fell in love with the money. Protect it dearly, won't let you take her from me. I just can't leave, really gotta hold on. What's good with all my trappreneurs, man? Y'all already know what's going on. As y'all can tell by the title, you already know what time it is. But before we hop into this video, before I share this game with y'all, before I give y'all these gems, these free gems, y'all already know what y'all gotta do, man. If y'all wanna keep it going, if y'all wanna keep the channel going, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss a beat, so you don't miss a video, so you don't miss out on this free game that I'm giving daily, weekly, whatever. We trying to level up. Everybody wants that bag, everybody wants their credit right, and y'all don't wanna miss out, so y'all gotta make sure y'all do that, man. Let's go, let's go. Get me to 100 subscribers, man. We almost there. Let's get it, man. Let's hop right to it. As y'all can see by the title, like I said, today we're gonna be learning how I am able to get up to 15 credit cards with only 4 inquiries, up to 10 to 15 credit cards in one day, touching 100,000 in credit in one day, only 4 inquiries, right? So the first thing that y'all gonna wanna do is, and this is gonna be a quick video, you guys. I hope you guys, when you come to my channel, you take notes. I hope you don't just watch me. I hope you really listen to the game and gems that I'm giving out. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna open up on your laptop, your computer, your tablet, your phone, when applying for a credit card. Do not apply for a credit card until your credit is structured the correct way. Not just anybody can just apply for a credit card. It's not gonna work. You will get denied. You will get denied, okay? The only best way to do this is I'm talking to the ones that's ready to go, credit structured correct way. You've been following me, you got your credit together, you're good to go, and this is for you. So what you're gonna wanna do is, no matter what device you use it on, you're going to wanna open up incognito mode, right? So you're gonna open up a private browser onto whatever device that you're using. Once you open up a private browser, you wanna already have a list of the banks or credit cards that you're gonna go get funded from or pull from to apply for, right? Once you have all the ones that you're gonna apply for, you wanna have them open in each different tab. And you wanna make sure that it's in incognito mode, right? You're gonna have each tab open. You're gonna already apply and have all your information open to each one. Once all your information is filled out, right? And I'm talking about, you gotta understand where the banks pull from. So you gotta understand about Experian. You gotta understand about, you gotta understand about where Experian pulls from. You gotta understand where TransUnion pulls from. You gotta understand where Equifax pulls from. So basically, you're gonna have all these tabs open. You're gonna have all the applications filled. You're gonna have everything ready to go, right? Once everything's ready to go, you're going to hurry up and press submit at the same time in each tab. You're gonna press submit, 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 submit. So, therefore, if you know where Experian is pulling from, you wanna apply for at least 2 to 3 credit cards. If you know where TransUnion is pulling from, you wanna apply for 2 to 3 credit cards. Equifax, 2 to 3 credit cards. Therefore, you're not getting 10 inquiries on one credit bureau. You pull from each second credit bureau so you can know exactly where they're pulling from, right? That's exactly how you do it. Now, if you guys want to know exactly what banks pull from what, then you guys gotta wait till the next video, man. Until next time, man, you guys gotta wait until the next video. Stay tapped in. Keep the notifications on. Follow me on Instagram. Grab the ebooks. I gave the game out in some of my ebooks and stuff like that. But like I said, you guys want to know exactly where all the banks pull from before you do this move, before you do this tactic, okay? It's just pointless. It's not gonna work. If you're trying to apply for credit cards that all pull from TransUnion, you're gonna get over 10, 15 inquiries. The thing about all it, and you're gonna get denied. Once you get 5 inquiries on one bureau and you try to go apply for a credit card from that same bureau, you're going to get denied. good thing, luckily, is we got all the game right here on this channel. So when you do go apply for all these credit cards and you get those 4 or 5 inquiries for all 15, 10 credit cards, you already know the game to just delete the inquiries before you even get your credit card, before it comes in the mail, before it even reports to your credit. So therefore, you got all these credit cards and 0 inquiries. That's the game. Now, like I said, if you guys want to know exactly where the banks pull from, y'all got to stay tuned and tapped in for the next video. I'll share that one on the next one. Until then, you already know what y'all got to do, man. If you're not following me on the gram, you already know I got that description. If you have not bought my stock course, I got that description. Also, I want you guys to check out, like I said, my Trappreneurs. We got that new merchandise, you know. It has not been released yet. Trappreneur, be the first one to get it. If you guys want to be the first one to get it, make sure you know, turn your post notifications on Instagram, on YouTube, so you can stay tapped in, so you can be the very first one to get your merch, because once this come out, man, this is about to go crazy. You want to get yours ASAP. So like I said, man, to stay tapped in, to get to know where the banks pull from, you can grab my 100K and funded ebook. I you know, put some game up in there and told you guys where the banks pull from. I got a couple ebooks I'll put in the description, but I got a lot more that I'm about to bring to the channel, so that will be on the next video. If y'all don't want to miss out, like I said, make sure you hit that post notification so you won't miss out. So before I'm head up out of here, you already know what y'all got to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, man. All my Trappreneurs, let's get it.
Trapper of the year, I threw 100,000. The fake one and the real want it out. Give a fuck about some views, I'm tryna touch some bands.